Whoever says I don't get my freaking rims dirty, my wheels dirty, you're a goddamn liar. We're out here getting dirty. Woo! Shoot down! You guys think I just have a truck that I drive on the road? She ain't a pavement princess. I use it. I have fun with it. Woo! That's some slimy shit. Oh, here we go. Oh, wasn't nearly as bad as I thought. My stunt driver, it wasn't me. Woo-hoo! Shoot down. Oh, buddy. I think it'd be kind of hard to get this truck stuck. I mean, this road really isn't all that bad, but it's just your general road. The only reason why I have it in four-wheel drive is because it's so slimy. I don't want to slide off the road and bash into a tree. See what the old Ford's made of? Ooh, you see that launch? Huh? Good God. Pretty sure I broke the bottom out of my fender, but that's not a big deal. It's fiberglass. Easily fixed. Yeah. There she is. Oh, dirty. But here's the point. That freaking snapped it right there. So, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna try and do at least a video a day. Some of them might just be stupid little vlogs like this, but I really want this YouTube channel to blow up, so I'm gonna do what I can to try and provide you guys with content. So with that being said, peace, make sure you subscribe, and long live paint.